Ever wondered how to pinpoint the exact equation that defines a linear function? Today, we're diving into a common SAT question to demystify this process. By the end, you'll understand the step-by-step method to identify the correct linear function from a set of given options. Here are our options: A, B, C, and D, each a potential definition for our function f. To find the right one, we need some clues. Let's visualize the problem. Imagine we have a graph with specific points that the function must pass through. Our first clue is a point, say 1, -5. We'll test each equation with this point. For option A, substituting x equals 1 gives us -16. Does -16 equal -5? No, so A is out. Next, let's try option B. Substituting x equals 1 gives us 5. Does 5 equal -5? No, option B is incorrect. Now for option C. Substituting x equals 1 gives us -6. Does -6 equal -5? No. Option C is also incorrect. Finally, let's test option D. Substituting x equals 1 gives us -5. Does -5 equal -5? Yes! Option D works for our first point. But we need to be sure. Let's test our remaining options with the second point, 2, -13. After testing all options with both points, we find that only option B satisfies both conditions. Therefore, the correct equation for the linear function f is f of x equals -4x plus 9. In summary, to find the correct linear function equation, we used a systematic approach. Visualize the problem, test each option with given points, and verify the solution. This method helps us demystify the process and build confidence for SAT test preparation.